I see a very, very vicious dog here. She's tearing at that bone. Just being rabid. Oh, we found a flea. Oh, yeah. She's just tearing at that bone. I don't know. Some people don't like pit bull, don't like bulldog, boxers, or pit bulls, or whatever you call them. That's just a load of horse shit. Tear it up, Jules.